Hello and welcome to the first in a series of tutorials designed to give you an introduction to the AI media server. AI is based around a powerful 3D visualizer. This allows you to design, pre-program and operate any show imaginable. These features combined with a node-based reprogrammability make AI the most flexible media server on the market. Now I'll give you a brief overview of the graphical user interface. In the corners of the main window, there are 8 tabs which access different pages of the user interface. The first of these is the project viewer. Here are all the projects currently stored on this server. The operator is able to browse and launch any of these saved projects. The next page we'll look at is the performance page. This is the page from where the show is controlled. You can select single or multiple fixture groups and trigger media. Along the right hand side here we have the media banks, also known as cluster banks. These are fully customizable. The next page we'll look at is the stage construction page. This is where we build the virtual 3D stage. You can insert any relevant fixture from the menu along the top of the screen. This creates a fixture group shown at the bottom of the screen. This fixture group then becomes available throughout the rest of the system, allowing the user to trigger or sequence media to play back on the device. The media page is where you can preview and arrange your media within your clusters. By holding down the Alt key, you can arrange clusters exactly how you want them. You can add an extra hexagon queue, delete hexagon queues, add labels and change the thumbnail for the selected hexagon queue. Media can be added to the selected hexagon queue from the menu on the left, or by browsing to the media in Windows. It is then a simple case of drag and drop to add multiple video clips, for example. On this page, you can also preview media without affecting the outputs from the performance page, which means you can look through your media during the show without worrying about accidentally triggering the wrong clip. The timeline page is where things get really precise. This page allows the user to sequence media, motion or patches onto a vertical timeline, one for each fixture group. The timeline can be triggered manually, linked to a timecode input, or locked to the system clock for automated playback in an installation where the user wants to trigger elements of the show at certain times of the day. Once created, timelines can be triggered from the performance page, where they can be triggered manually or locked to timecode trigger points. This concludes our brief AI overview. Be sure to check out the further in-depth tutorials in the series.